Hi guys, welcome to my channel Benevolent Motor Rider. This is Swaroop and I hope you all are doing well in this pandemic. For those who are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and show some love by liking and sharing my videos to your near and dear ones. Basically this is going to be the third episode of Sikkim Ride. Last episode था जहाँ पे हम लोग छांगू लेक पे आके स्टॉप किए थे. Very same day we will be pursuing from Changu Lake towards Padamche via Old Silk Route. Yes. For people who know the Old Silk Route, I know it is awesome. And for those who don't know, please wait and watch the full episode. So let's not waste time and meet you in the action camera. Bye bye.
So now we are heading towards Padamche via Old Silk Route as per the plan. So here is a road map. I'm trying to chase the shadow of the white cloud. On the left hand side is Nathula Pass, which closes at around 12 for the visitors. So we decided not to go, although the time was around 12:30 or 1. So we decided to do a small photo shoot over here.
परमिट हाँ हम लोग पूछने वाले थे वहाँ पे कि कहाँ पे दिखाना है. चल चल चल.
जिन लोगों को पता नहीं है मैं बता दूँ. Let me give you this information that in order to go via Silk Route towards Padamche or Zuluk or any places which fall into the old Silk Route, आपको permit लगेगा and you have to collect it from Gangtok, especially for the bikers. ये ओल्ड बाबा मंदिर है. आप लोग गूगल पे सर्च कर सकते हो इसके बारे में. इट्स अ वेरी फेमस प्लेस. वी हैव बीन देयर, सो हम लोगों ने स्किप किया. सडनली चलते चलते आई गेट टू रियलाइज दैट टू ऑफ माई फेलो राइडर्स आकाश एंड राजू वर मिसिंग. वो थोड़ा पीछे रह गए थे.
এখান থেকে ডান দিকে ঘুরতে হবে মনে হয়. ম্যাপ তো কাজই করছে না আমার. भैया पदमचे घूमना पड़ेगा. বাকিরা কোথায়? এত লেট করলে হয়? আমার পুরো তেল শেষ হয়ে যাচ্ছে এবার. ও গেল কোথায় রে? আবার না এগুলো অফ হয়ে আছে, ব্যাটারি শেষ. তাহলে আটকে গেল নাকি কোথায় কি বুঝবো এবার.
10 मिनट के अंदर राजू और आकाश दोनों ही मिल गया था एंड दे वर टेलिंग मी फ्रॉम हियर ऑनवर्ड्स. The temperature was so cold, it was so windy out there that we could not help but to stop at this place.
কত কিলোমিটার দেখাচ্ছে? 3 কত দেখাচ্ছে? এখনো 30, এখনো 30.
We all were so dehydrated and hungry that we had to go for a food break. थोड़ा मैगी और सूप और चाय पीने के बाद now we are heading towards the Old Silk Road. You will get to see the beauty of that very road. इतनी ठंडी थी वहीं पे, टोटल रास्ता कवर करते करते हम लोगों का हाथ नम हो गया था. We were literally shivering. चलाते चलाते हम लोग कांप रहे थे literally. We were getting agitated of the wind, of the chilling breeze, but still we were enjoying the beauty of nature, the roads, the adventurous ride. It was a bit treacherous,
wow, look at the clouds, man.
but we managed because we were enjoying the ride. We pointed the moon. The sky was so clear. It was around 2:30 or 3 p.m. I do not exactly know the time. But yes, the weather was way too good. पिछला 2 या 3 दिन बहुत बारिश हुआ था और बर्फ़बारी हुआ था, जिसके कारण ये रास्ता बंद था. एंड मैंने पिछले व्लॉग में भी ये बोला था कि वी वर द ओनली 4 बाइकर्स जिनको परमिशन मिला आज के दिन, मतलब 26 ऑफ जैन 2021 को, टू ट्रैवल वाया ओल्ड सिल्क रूट डाउनहिल टुवर्ड्स पदमचे और जुलुक, wherever we want to go. Absolute beauty. This is what is known as absolute beauty. यहाँ पे छोटा छोटा घर था एंड वहीं पे खाने का जगह भी था, बट ड्यू टू द हैवी रेनफॉल एंड बैड वेदर फॉर द पास्ट 3-4 डेज यहाँ पे कोई आ नहीं रहा था. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑब्वियस सिचुएशन ऑफ द कोविड, तो मैक्सिमम दुकान सब बंद था यहाँ पे. We were totally enjoying the view while riding at a normal speed with no rush and no hurry at all. It was a very relaxing scene. This is the actual view of the Silk Route. You can Google Silk Route, you can Google about Silk Route. Previously, this route was used to trade between India and Tibet. ये घने बादल, we were literally touching the clouds at this point of time. This is an awesome experience. This is an experience which we are never going to forget. It has a total different feeling altogether. We never thought we could make it at this point of time, but we just took the risk and we were praying to God कि रास्ता ठीक ठाक हो और मौसम बढ़िया हो. That's it. we were literally mesmerized seeing this view while riding the bike. Although I have been into this road back in 2018, उस टाइम इतना क्लाउड था यहाँ पे कि we could barely see. We were about to enter Zuluk and this is what it happens. We are literally again touching the clouds. पूरा blend in हो गया. I stopped there and asked someone for the direction, whether we are on the right track or not. And हाँ, this is Zuluk. हम लोग Zuluk से cross करके we are heading on the right path towards Padamche. जितना नीचे downhill जा रहे हैं, उतना ही कोहरा छा रहा है. And these are actual clouds. Now we are entering Padamche.
नहीं, उधर से परमिट मिल गया.
Thank you. Yeah, 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 yeah.